Let's take a look at the Juno Slide Gate Opener made by Nice Apollo. This automatic gate opener is the perfect solution for creating a hands-free sliding gate for residential areas. It's compact but is still packed full of power, moving gates up to 800 pounds and up to 40 feet long. But what makes Juno stand out from other gate openers? Hi, we're DF Supply, a leading distributor for automatic gate systems, here to bring you another product overview. Since Juno is built for residential use, it is designed for an easy setup. The Mercury 310 control board that it uses is simple to program and includes a built-in UL325 Type-C entrapment protection device. The Juno Slide Opener is also available in a version that is solar compatible. You can power your gate using the sun's energy, making the system environmentally friendly while saving you money on your electric bill. One of our favorite features of Juno is the built-in driveway light. The light improves visibility and will even stay on for 20 seconds after the gate is fully opened or closed. There is also a photo eye that is designed to be installed directly inside the Juno operator, though it's still recommended to have additional photo eyes for the different entrapment zones. Some other notable features include the red and green status indicator that lights up when the gate is opening or closing, and the lockable manual release that allows you to manually move the gate if necessary. The Juno Gate Opener meets UL 325 safety standards and is classified as a UL Class 1 and 2, or Residential and Commercial Gate Opener. It also includes a 3-year warranty and features communication through Bluebus, a USB port, and OXI. Now let's take a look at what's included when you buy a Juno operator. To start, you're going to get the Juno Operator Unit. That's going to have the Mercury 310 controller and a battery backup already built into it. You're going to get the 30-foot number 40 chain. You're going to get the reflective photo eye that will get installed directly into the Juno operator. You're also going to get a Bluebus reflective photo eye that is separate from the photo eye designed to be built into the system. The Juno kit will also include these warning signs and all the hardware needed for installation. And last but not least, you'll get a plug-in receiver. This little guy has 4 channels and the capacity to hold up to 1,024 codes. And you'll also get 2 remote transmitters so you can open and close your gate from up to a 500-foot distance. If you plan on getting a solar integrated Juno unit, you'll have to purchase a 12-volt solar panel separately. There are plenty of solar panels to choose from on apollogateopeners.com. Links will be in the description of this video for the Juno Slide Gate Openers, as well as our collection of solar panels and solar panel accessories. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to give us a call, or you can visit our website, apollogateopeners.com. Thanks for watching.